Today, we're going to talk about harnessing the power of intention from Reality Transurfing. Here's the quote for today. As you know, the essence of the visualization technique lies in the statement that today is better than yesterday and tomorrow will be better than today. Switch on your energy fountains and repeat the affirmation in your mind that your intention energy is increasing with each and every passing day. This way, intention will support itself and your energy levels will increasingly rise. So today we're going to talk about harnessing the power of intention and the transformative potential of visualization techniques from Reality Transurfing. So that quote was from the book Reality Transurfing. And this is a book written by Russian quantum physicist Vadim Zeland. And inside this book are so many insights. I mean, I tell you, like I said last week, I said that what I do is I open up the book to random pages and I always find answers or solutions or something that's going on. And so I have that quote, and you can also find more about this quote and this episode in the link in the show notes and description below, because what I do is I copy this and to a blog post and share it with you there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kathie Owen. So in the pursuit of personal growth and self-improvement, we often find ourselves grappling with the complexities of the mind. Our thoughts, beliefs, and perceptions shape our reality in profound ways, and this influences our actions and our experiences. So it's not a coincidence that you found this video, and I want you to remember that as you listen today. You know, amidst the chaos of everyday life, it's easy to succumb to negative self-talk and limiting beliefs that hinder our progress. Enter the power of visualization techniques, as eloquently captured in the quote from Reality Transurfing. Today is better than yesterday, and tomorrow will be better than today. This simple yet profound affirmation encapsulates the essence of harnessing intention energy to cultivate positive change in our lives. Let's dive deeper into the significance of this statement and explore how it can empower us to overcome mental barriers and elevate our energy levels. You know, in my mastermind with Joseph Rodriguez, I have been hearing so many flow-based techniques and visualizations. And one of the stories that really struck me was one of the gals is talking about flying an airplane. And she is a pilot and she's been training, and she was flying and she went into this one airport where she landed, and they didn't have air traffic control, but they have certain rules. And she stayed in her flow, even though she almost got hit by another airplane or there was a collision that was going to happen. She was in the right. And she noticed how once she landed and saw all the other pilots in there, they were trying to get her to react to it. But she visualized herself staying calm, not giving in to the drama, not giving in to what was out there. She stayed calm. And she even this girl's so cute. She was like, I'm not giving into it. I see y'all acting up over there. I'm not giving into it. I'm staying in my flow. I love that. If you like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit that little bell so you never miss a video from me. So the visualization technique outlined in the quote encourages us to adopt a mindset of continuous improvement and growth. It's a journey, not a destination. And by affirming that each day is better than the last, that tomorrow holds even greater promise, we shift our focus away from dwelling on past failures or shortcomings. Instead, we direct our energy towards envisioning a brighter future filled with limitless possibilities. Central to this process is the concept of intention energy, the powerful force that drives our thoughts, actions, and manifestations. By consciously directing our intention towards positive outcomes, we activate our energy fountains and set in motion a self-reinforcing cycle of growth and transformation. Each repetition of the affirmation simply serves to amplify our intention energy, fueling our journey towards personal fulfillment and success. And honestly, I like the word autosuggestion as opposed as affirmation. Even though they do kind of mean the same thing, I believe more it's suggestion to your subconscious mind than it is an affirmation for your subconscious mind. It just helps me get rid of that word affirming it. I'm auto-suggesting it to my subconscious. So why is it essential to cultivate such a mindset of positivity and optimism? Answer lies in the intricate interplay between our thoughts, emotions, and our energetic vibrations. Studies in the field of neuroscience have revealed that the profound impact of our mental state on our brain function and overall well-being. Positive thoughts and emotion not only enhance cognitive function, but also boost immune function and promote physical health. I'm going to repeat that because that is super important. Positive thoughts and emotions not only enhance cognitive function, but also boost your immune system and they promote physical health. Moreover, our thoughts emit vibrational frequencies that interact with the quantum field, shaping the reality we perceive. This is where the concept of reality transurfing comes into play. The idea that we can consciously navigate through parallel realities by aligning our intentions with the desired outcome. By consistently reinforcing the belief that each day brings us closer to our goals, we attune ourselves to the frequency of success and abundance. However, it's essential to acknowledge that our minds are adept at playing tricks on us, often leading us astray with self-doubt and negativity. Remember, the negativity bias will set you off track. It takes discipline to stay out of self-doubt and negativity. But this is where the power of affirmations, autosuggestions becomes particularly potent. By consciously choosing empowering beliefs and repeating them with conviction, we reprogram our subconscious mind and overwrite limiting thought patterns. The phrase, every day I'm getting better and better, encapsulates this principle beautifully, serving as a potent mantra for personal growth and empowerment. As we internalize this affirmation, autosuggestion, whatever you call it, and integrate it into our daily routine, we begin to witness tangible shifts in our mindset and behavior. Gradually, we cultivate a sense of self-confidence and resilience that propels us forward on our journey towards self-actualization. Moreover, the act of visualization serves to deepen our connection with our goals and our desires, making them feel more attainable and real. Again, I'm going to go back to how your definite chief aim, everything that's happening to you contributes to that. And by vividly imagining ourselves achieving our aspirations, we strengthen the neural pathways associated with success and reinforce our commitment to manifesting our dreams. This process not only enhances our motivation and focus, but also attracts opportunities and resources that align with our intentions. In essence, the practice of visualization offers a powerful tool for unlocking our full potential and transcending the limitations of the mind. By harnessing the energy of intention and affirming our belief in a brighter tomorrow, we pave the way for profound personal transformation. So let us embrace the wisdom of reality transurfing and embark on a journey of self-discovery and empowerment, one visualization at a time. All right, that's my episode for today. I trust that you found it helpful. If you know someone who can benefit from this, please share it with them. And until next time, I will see you next time. Peace out and namaste.